In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Klaviyo to Squarespace. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. Klaviyo is an incredible email marketing tool that can help you boost your online store's sales, and when integrated with Squarespace, it can take your marketing efforts to the next level. The first thing we need to do is set up your Klaviyo account. If you don't have one yet, head over to Klaviyo's website and sign up for an account. You will go through a straightforward sign-up process. Once you're done, log into your account. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the upper right corner where you'll see your account name. Click on it to access your account settings. From there, select API keys. We need to create a new API key that will help us connect Klaviyo to your Squarespace site. To create this new key, look for the button that says Create API Key. Once you click on that, Klaviyo will generate a key for you. Copy this key. It's essential that you keep it secure and not share it with others, as it allows access to your account data. Now let's switch gears and head over to your Squarespace account. If you're not already logged in, do so now. Once you're inside, go to the Settings menu on the left sidebar. From there, click on Advanced, and then you will see an option called External Services. This is where we're going to integrate Klaviyo. In the External Services section, look for the field that asks for the Klaviyo API key. This is where you'll paste the API key you copied from Klaviyo. After pasting the key, press Save. It's always a good idea to double-check that everything is saved properly before moving on. With the API key integrated, we need to ensure that your email list on Klaviyo receives the contacts from Squarespace. Under the Klaviyo dashboard, go to the Lists and Segments tab. Here you can create a new list if you haven't already. Name it something identifiable, like Squarespace Customers, so you'll know where your leads are coming from later. Next, we'll set up your sign-up forms, which will allow customers to opt in to your newsletters directly through your site. You can create beautiful sign-up forms within Klaviyo. Go to the Sign-up Forms section and click on Create Sign-up Form. You can customize it according to your branding and the kind of information you want to gather from your customers. Once the form is ready, make sure to get the embed code for it. Back in Squarespace, go to the page where you want this sign-up form to appear. You can use the code block, paste in the embed code from Klaviyo, and save your changes. This will allow visitors to your site to easily sign up for your emails. Lastly, it's important to test your integration. Make sure that when someone signs up through your Squarespace site, they're indeed being added to your Klaviyo list. You can do this by signing up yourself and then checking your Klaviyo account to see if the contact appears on your list. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Klaviyo to Squarespace. Now you're all set to start sending targeted emails and campaigns to your customers. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks.